Now remember, when you're dissecting anything, not just a pig, but anything, wear your safety goggles. You could get spurts of antibacterial juices. You don't want that in your eye because then you'd have to call poison control. If you look down here, we have several dissecting tools which we can use. We have our forceps right here for pulling away skin. We have some probes right here that you can stick into stuff. You come over here, we have scissors. Now, these are surgical scissors you have to be very careful with. Do not put your finger in between those, okay? If you could, someone accidentally bumps into you, cuts your finger off. We have an eyedropper right here for removing liquids such as the antibacterial juice preservative that I was talking about. We can remove that from the specimen and place it in a contained area. Here we have a second probe. Get that out of there. This probe is also used for pointing. It's very good for identifying very small objects. Here we have a scalpula. Notice this one wasn't cleaned off very well. Remember, after each cut, after each session, you must clean off your scalpel so that it doesn't rust up and so that it doesn't have stuff on there. Be careful because this is very sharp. And here we have our last probe. This one's just a different angle, both used for pointing. So remember, when using these objects, please do not run, do not point, and do not go near any human extremities.
And don't cut towards yourself.
This is the dorsal part of the fetal pig, the ventral, anterior, posterior, and lateral.
Good.
Collon, grab the tail.
What are we doing here, Alec?
We are measuring how long it is. So, 4. I can't read over your hand, bro. So that is 19 centimeters, which is 190 millimeters, which means the pig is around 80 days old.
Approximately 80 days old.
Approximately 80 days old.
Start from right here. Alright, sexing our pig. As you can see, it has very fine nips on the stomach.
Okay,
however,
move your hands.
this does not mean that it is a female pig, because both male and female have nips along both sides. However, if we go around to the anus, you can see that the female pig has a genital papilla right here that the male does not, as you can see, right around the anus. Move the tail back.
Can you tell the difference? You know how to tell the difference?
It's right there.
And there you go.
So, right now we have to locate the eyelids, the ears, and the external nostrils. The eyelids are right here. You can see that it's still closed together, but this is the top eyelid right there. And then, this is the ear. We got one ear there. And then if we turn this sucker over, we got another ear right there. This guy has 2 ears. And then the external nostrils. We got one there and one there. Yeah, you just probe.
Alright, we gotta count the toes. There's 4 on the left one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And there's 4 on the right one. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And there's 4 on the front too. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, we have an eyeball right here. If you peel back the eyelid in this manner, it seems to be a very undeveloped eye, as it's still very white. If we pull back this flap, let's see what we got there. Oh, look at that. We can see the pupil of the eye. The eye looks very mushy, probably from all the fertilizing stuff they put in. This is the umbilical cord, and we're going to cut it off. Oh, there we go. It's nice and snarly right there. It's nice. Would you like to take a bite? Collon's going to eat it right now. So we're locating the 3
holes in the umbilical cord